Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Yes, sun finally came out, and in these winter days, sun and sunshine, the warm sunshine is a blessing. So I came out that I could just sit here at my old spot. You can see the familiar background, and enjoy the Eachine E500, one more flight. Some of my micro FPV, all-in-one FPV systems are still in transit. I don't know, I cannot find that box, so I was planning to fly FPV today with it. Anyway, I did find one all-in-one FPV system. I just need to set it up on this little boy, and then we can have some FPV flights on this one. Until then, let me enjoy one more fun flight on this one, because this one really is 100% fun factor to just fly this aircraft around. A little bit wind coming from there, it should be fine. Let's see how it goes. Normally I wouldn't get an aircraft this close to me. How does it go forward? The differential thrust is only for left and right. How does it go forward? Yes, the ailerons only. They make it go forward or backward. Takes a lot to actually beat the winds. And this thing is a superb flyer. I mean, FPV will be a lot of fun on this one. I can fly obstacle courses with this one. This transition is simply the most amazing thing that you can do. I have told you this thing is just extremely fun for you to just sit and fly while enjoying the sunshine on these calm winter days. Man, this stabilization is really outlandish. That's what I was saying. Stabilization is simply outlandish. Let me try the manual mode one more time. Okay, let me get up, stand up, and try the manual mode. I understand now why I wasn't able to control it in manual mode. Because in manual mode, I was trying to fly it like a traditional flying wing, trying to turn with the you know, banking and rolling only. But I just realized that the differential thrust is still working, and that is like kind of gives you a rudder right there, makes it much more controllable. Awesome. So now you have a rudder based control, like a rudder based control for you to do, you know, aerobatics, loops and rolls, and flying like a, you know, traditional FPV wing, but like having a rudder control. Awesome. And I can still try to fly it like like a, you know, vertical hovering. Okay, how about the... Awesome. And anytime you just like losing control, just quickly switch it to stabilized mode and you will be able to control it really nicely. Differential thrust is also working with the aileron controls. Awesome. Not just the rudder, but aileron also gives you differential thrust in this stabilized mode. I got disorientated and dived down. Okay, one of the motors came off, so basically I have to glue it and we will be just fine to fly again. It's a double-sided taped motor. Let me just double check. I believe it won't come off. I believe it won't come off. Alright, so here goes nothing. Here we go! Back in action. Driving like an RC car in the air. Full manual mode. I shouldn't get disorientated now. Flying inverted. Much more fun. But the way you have differential thrust there, even, you know, in the manual flight mode, it will get a little bit of getting used to. But again, I found the crashes are not a big deal on this one. It's pretty crash resistant. And, you know, don't worry about breaking it, just have fun. You should worry about having fun only. Switching all these modes, man, I mean, that's the most amazing thing, because the plane doesn't even twitch. Not a single sign of going up and down or a single millimeter of twitch. The smoothest transitions from all the flight modes. I am trying to learn to fly inverted. Whoa, the flight mode, even the manual flight mode, the stabilization is on. I thought the stabilization will not be on. Uh-oh, wrong flight mode. I should actually switch to vertical hovering. Anyway, I hope my motor... my motor came off, of course, because it's just a double-sided tape. Anyway, I'm just gonna push it back in its position. There you go. And keeping it in this flight mode, I hope the motor will not come off. We'll just let it go. There you go. Man, you got to love this aircraft, Eachine. Simply beautiful and amazing. As I said, you got to love this aircraft. Alright, it's time to land because my battery is showing the signs of depleting. Almost hit the trees there. And vertical flight mode. And landing. Sweet! I mean, this is the sweetest plane you can ever get. It's still cold, my nose is running, but hey, that was a fun flight. I can't wait to install the FPV system, and I'll properly glue the motor there I will glue the hell out of it that it will break the foam, but the motor will never come out. Well, I have 4 thumbs, 2 on my feet, 2 on my hands, and I'm really gonna give it 4 thumbs up for fun factor, for quality, for durability, and of course for the smoothest switching flight modes from vertical to forward to manual, back to forward and vertical. This is a highly recommended, pure fun FPV flying wing, VTOL FPV flying wing that you can ever put your hands on. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?